How to add or invite friends on Mondly. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can add or invite friends on Mondly. Now, the first step or the first way is if your friend has a Mondly account. So, if your friend has a Mondly account, all you need to do is to log in into your Mondly account first of all, and then once you're logged in, go to the lowest part of the screen where you can see 5 icons, namely categories, lessons, statistics, leaderboard, and shop. Just go ahead and click on leaderboard. After clicking on leaderboard, you'll be brought to the leaderboards page. So on this page, you can see 3 tabs at the top part of the screen, namely friends, Nigeria, that is your location, as well as the locations all over the world. So once you're on this page, the next step is to go to the first option, which is friends, and select the friends tab. So after selecting the friends tab, you can see some options which says add friends. All right, so just click on add friends, and then you can decide to search for the friend name on Modly. All right, since the person has a Modly account, you can just decide to search for the friend's name on Modly. You can decide to type out the friend's name or the friend's email address, the email address that the friend used to register on Modly. You can just type it out here. Then the account will be displayed. Click on it, and the person will be invited to your friends list, or click on follow, and then your friend will be invited or be added to your friends list. Now, another thing is if your friend does not have a Modly account. If your friend does not have a Modly account, these are the options they are to use. That is Facebook or email. So you can just click on invite friends from Facebook or invite friends from email. And then to invite friends from Facebook, just click on it. To invite friends from email, just click on email, and then you'll be redirected to your Gmail account where you'll be asked to type out your friend's email, and then the white code will be sent to them. Once they accept it, they will be able to download the Modly app, and they will be added to your friends list automatically. So this is how you can invite or add friends on Modly. It's very simple. So what do? Ensure you invite all of your friends today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.